and the topic is virtual function. Virtual function using C++. The mechanism of the virtual function is two types: dynamic binding and polymorphism. Dynamic binding is late binding, runtime resolution, and function overriding. Polymorphism is method overriding, code reusability, interface implementation. Advantage of virtual functions: virtual function provide enhanced flexibility in object programming, handling code reusability, and easier maintenance. They allow for a dynamic method resolution, make your programs adaptable and efficient. The practical application of virtual function is game development and real-time simulation. Game development is enhanced flexibility in the character behavior and interaction. Real-time simulation is allow dynamic update to storage entities during a runtime. There is a real-time example of virtual function is graphic rendering, event handling, data processing, and plugins. Graphics rendering, virtual function using dynamic polymorphism in graphics application for rendering shapes. Event handling, they facilitate flexible event handling by allowing derived classes to override behavior. Data processing, virtual function allow the customized data processing and strategies based on the different data types. Plugin systems, they support your plugin architecture, enabling extensibility and modularity in a software application. That is my presentation for my project, that is smart home. In modern smart home, multiple devices such as television, speakers, lights, and air conditioners work together to make life easier or more different. The devices often need to be controlled from one central system like smartphone app or the voice system. Their main goal is to have a common way to manage our devices while allowing each one to perform its own unique task. For example, when you say turn on a device, the television might be start and display the welcome screen. The smart speaker might become ready for voice channel, and light might adjust the comfortable brightness. Even though the command is the same for all, each device responds in it on a own way. This is exactly how smartphones achieve automation and convenience. Different devices work under one system but behave according to the specific function. This approach also makes the system easy to expand. If you add a new device like a smart thermostat or security camera, it can be integrated smoothly without charging the existing devices. This is why a unified system for smart home system for important. It keeps things simple for a user while allowing for flexibility and growth in the future. That is one program for this. That's a better file and class. There is an object name called device and access is based public. Virtual void turn on. Turn on means that if you start the TV or start home theater, it's like that. So use vector.x in it. And another one is class television public device. Void turn on, turn off, and smart speaker also. And main function, it's like using a vector function and device push back and push. If your device is pushed back, if we want to turn on and turn off, just like that. If it is turn on, call the specific turn on for a television or a smart speaker. Turn down also same. And clean up the device. Once it is, if you first start the TV, then it's virtual. It's use the virtual function to hide it, and then it start another one speaker, just like that. Device.clear and return 0. Use of this program is this C++ program demonstrates the concept of object-oriented programming, particularly in persistent polymorphism and dynamic method. The base class device provides a common interface with the virtual function turn on, turn off, device classes like television and smart speaker override this function to implement the device specific variable. By storing a pointer to the different devices in a device specific variable, by storing pointers to the different devices, the program shows how the same function call produce the different result depending on the actual object. The key feature of polymorphism is the use of a virtual destructor ensures the resource is properly cleaned up when deleting the derived object through the statement class functions. Overall, this program can serve multiple devices share a common interface but behave a different when operated. This is my project. In programming, clarity and precision is everything. And thank you. This is my details. And one more thing, like and subscribe it.